In this video, I will be giving the review on Maya Mobile eSIM. I will also going to include all the pros and cons. So let's get started. Before we start, you can click the link in the description or in the pinned comment below to get started with Maya Mobile eSIM. First of all, the wide coverage. Now Maya Mobile offers eSIM plans in over 200 plus destinations, making it a choice for frequent travelers or international travelers. Next thing will going to be variety of plan. Now they provide a range of data plan including 5 GB to unlimited, which is great option for the heavy data users. Also auto recharge option. Let's say you have purchased a specific plan. Maya Mobile has auto recharge feature ensuring you never run out of data unexpectedly, which you can also enable by simply clicking on this auto recharge, and you can also read the terms and condition. Now, not to mention the cost effectiveness. Now, their data plans are generally more affordable than other eSIM providers, or if you compare to traditional roaming fees or buying local SIM cards. Now, the first con that I will include is its customer support. Now, there have been mixed reviews regarding customer support. You can also check them out on their website by clicking on it, but as long as I have experience, in my opinion, it's not a big deal. If you have a specific question, you can also ask their customer support directly on their website. Anyway, let's talk about their data plans. Now, let's say you want only data plans. They also have unlimited data, but if I go for this UK eSIM unlimited data plan as an example, they have a limit of daily data which is 2 GBs with a throttle over limit of 1 Mbps, which might not be a top choice for heavy data users who need consistent high-speed internet. And you can also see their coverage live on their map by simply visiting this website page. And as you can see, they have almost all the Europe, North America, Asia as well, but the Africa regions are not much covered unless you go in South Africa or the area closer to them. So in overall verdict, Maya Mobile is a solid choice for travelers looking for a convenient and cost-effective way to stay connected internationally. However, it may not be the best option for those who require heavy data usage or expect top-tier customer support.